parang ang point ni Coach Chot kasi doon is, tanggalin muna natin lahat ng drama.
Yan.
Diba? Let's be technical about things. Diba?
Totoo.
Kung mali ka at hindi ka bumaba, okay. Yun lang. Dinayusin lang.
That's
Diba?
you.
Pero yung parang magbato ka pa ng tuwalya, mag-ganyan-ganyan. Parang, anong gusto mong ipalabas? Diba? Anong gusto mong ipakita na, ano ba, may camera ba na nakatapat sa'yo? So I'm sure hindi naman yun yung intention ni Poy. And he was just letting out his frustration. It's just that, you're right eh. Baka napuno na si Coach Chot eh. Ang taas na nga nung pressure nung laro. We're here to play basketball.
Yes.
Enough with the drama. Let's focus on the game, di ba? Because it's distracting. And now, syempre, nung na-push off the edge na si Coach Chot, ngayon, na-reciprocate. Di ba, lumaki pa yung apoy eh. But in fairness to TNT naman, nakita mo rin yung experience, nakita mo rin yung mga seed na na-plant in the past eh. Kasi, as in, para siyang nung pumotok to, pinalibutan ka agad. Nung pumotok si Coach Chot, pinalibutan din ka agad. So parang na-bring back nila lahat yun, di ba? Na-glue nila, even if mayroong mga pieces na nahuhulog eh. Di ba? Yun yung maganda dun sa and that's a testament to the kind of culture also that TNT has.
Yes.
Coach Chot has built. You said nga, he's a great motivator. You've got really good coaching staff with the likes of Coach Sandy there, di ba? Na alam mong ginagawa nila yun.
Yes.
Diba? Tinatrabaho nila. Coach Josh is also there. Coach Yuri is also there. So, alam mo yung coaching staff nila talaga, and the players, yung maturity. Ilang gera na ba na finals ang pinuntahan nitong TNT at ilang beses na nila nakaharap itong Hinebra. So, they're not new to this, di ba? But again, pressure is high. I mean, until you put on their shoes, mahirap magsalita. Well, I've never been to a pressure-packed finals game like that. And everything's just going haywire and you know you're up against a crowd favorite in Ginebra. Na pag napanalo nila yung Game 5, delikado ka na. Kasi they're one game away from winning the finals. And so that game was very crucial. But yun nga, again, emotions were very high. Now, to point out the question, lason ba si Poy? Kasi after neto, sangkatutak na article ang lumabas. Sangkatutak talaga na parang wala na yan team next year. Ako, I go back to our conversation last week. Kung ako ba, may pilay ako, lumpo ako, di ba? Tapos may pila tayo, tapos ang bagal ko maglakad sa escalator. Kasalanan ko ba? Magagalit ka ba sa akin?
Hindi naman.
Hindi ka magagalit, di ba? Iintindihin mo ako eh, di ba?
Siyempre.
Tutulungan mo pa nga ako eh. I think we have to approach it the same way. That maybe what Poy Aram is going through is beyond him. Hindi niya na kontrolado yun. And he needs help. Obviously, he needs help. Di ba? May it be as light as, anger management or as grave as some other mental health issue, right? But he needs help. And